The more injustice a person has suffered, the greater the injustice they begin to commit as soon as they come to power. Preventing this instinct for revenge truly requires an enormous heart. Unfortunately, Bruno could not resist this desire. He replaced his brown French jacket with the military coat of the new regime. He no longer wanted to share the bread he could eat with others. He was terrified of becoming hungry again, of becoming an ordinary Parisian once more. From the seat he occupied, he thought he had no choice but to have his former friends, whom he now declared enemies of the people, and so as rebels executed by the same guillotine. There is no point in debating whether Bruno was right or wrong. Poverty is the second domino stone that causes all evils to fall one after another. The first domino stone is the failure to guarantee the three basic needs when there was an opportunity to do so. Even after the monarchy was overthrown, Bruno's three basic needs were still not guaranteed. Yes, he now had bread. Yes, he now had a position. He was living in one of the most beautiful houses in Paris, but he had no guarantee. He believed that before a stronger revolutionary came and took everything from him, he had no option other than sending as many people as possible to the guillotine.